1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
Hi, I'm Joe Simon from idsaudio.es, and in the next few minutes I will present you the TMS, the Triode Measure System, a very accurate digitally controlled tube tester. Tubes were pulled out of main production in the 1970s, when modern digital technology was still under development, so all measuring equipment was analog, and curve tracers, although existed, were extremely uncommon. Nowadays there are a lot of those old tube testers frequently used to match tubes and test them for emission. It is important to know how much we can trust those old meters, because even if they are calibrated, they only test the tube by setting a fixed Viet point and measuring the current that is developed across the tube. That can be useful to get an overall view of the state of the tube, but nothing more. That cannot tell you if the tube characteristic curve family is similar or not to the ideal one. For that, a curve tracer is needed. The TMS can measure a tube, giving you the curves and internal parameters of the equivalent model, such as mutual conductance and internal resistance. It is computer controlled and the results can be stored for a later comparison. Let's give it a try. One of the most common issues in a tube amplifier comes from the driver stage, where a tube like a 1287 is used. So for this example we are going to measure a couple of them. If you use an old tube tester which tells you the mutual conductance, you have to know that in the best scenario, the only information it's giving you is a single point of a curve. You can imagine all the possible curves that can pass through that point. In this case, it's clear that the measure 1287 is off the range of the desired characteristics. And more important is to know that their triodes don't match. So if you use this tube in a driver stage, you're gonna get very bad results out of your power amp. By the way, this is a brand new unused JJ tube right out of the box. This proves that all tubes should be measured before using them, even if they are new. If you want your tubes to be carefully measured and selected, you can contact us at info@idsaudio.es. We can also give you advice about the tubes that will fit best in your amp.